In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a GIF as your Gmail profile picture. It's a quick and fun way to add a bit of personality to your email account, and we'll walk through this process in just about 5 minutes. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the upper right hand corner of the screen. You'll find your account profile picture there, which is typically represented by your initial or the photo you've previously uploaded. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From the drop-down menu, find and select Manage your Google account. This will redirect you to a new page dedicated to your account settings and personalization options. On this page, you'll see your current profile picture prominently displayed. Click on the profile picture, which will provide you with the option to change it. Now look for and click on the Change button under your profile picture. Here you'll be presented with options to select a new photo. Since you want to set a GIF as your profile picture, you'll need to upload one from your computer. Choose from computer to access files saved on your device. Next, you'll need to click on Upload from Computer. A file selection window will appear, allowing you to browse your device for the desired GIF file. It's a good idea to have your favorite GIF ready in an easily accessible folder to streamline this process. Once you've located the GIF you want, click on it to select it, and then choose Open to upload it. After the upload is complete, you might be prompted to make adjustments to the picture, such as cropping. Adjust the crop area to your preference, ensuring that the key elements of your GIF are centered and visible within the circular frame. After fine-tuning your GIF, click on Next. This step will take you to a preview screen, showing you how the GIF looks as your profile picture. If everything appears as you envisioned, go ahead and click Save as Profile Picture. Your new animated profile picture is now set, bringing a lively touch to your Gmail communications. Enjoy this fresh customization, and remember, whenever you feel like changing things up, you can revisit these simple steps to explore other GIFs or images. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope your new profile picture brings a smile to your inbox. See you next time for more tech tips and tutorials.